Hi, Tom Walls, Carbide Processors. Want to talk about precision laser cutting. This is a saw body called a saw plate because there's no tips on it. It's been precision laser cut. It's been heat treated to bring it to the right Rockwell so it's not too stiff where it'll snap or too soft where it'll bend over. And it's been finished ground for dimension and make it pretty. This one's been sitting around a little bit. Yours will be prettier. This is something else we can do with the laser. We do with the laser. This is our fire brick saw for cutting soft fire brick. If you can poke a knife into the brick, it's soft enough. It does not cut paving block. It does not cut tile, but it is a whiz-a-roo on soft insulating brick. So I'm talking to the guys, the laser guys, about what else we can do or sell or whatever. And it came up because it's unusual. This is a frog spear, sometimes called a frog gig or a fish spear. There's a guy that buys some of these every now and again. This is the heaviest, we searched on the internet, this is the heaviest, most overbuilt frog spear, fish spear, any place. Look at the thickness on that thing. Solid steel. This is a beauty, but we love things that are built strong and built tough. I suppose our whole industry, the whole tool saw industry, is kind of dominated by the sawmills because that's the toughest application there is. So we like tough tools. But we got talking about it, and I asked them if they'd make something special for me. This is, once again, a frog spear. This is a trash spear or a trash rake. There, you see it better against the white wall. It's about the same thing. This is much, much smaller, much, much lighter. The dog and I go to the park. He runs around. I pick up trash. Some of the trash is in the water, the blackberries, up in the trees or whatever. I don't want to wade out in the water. I don't want to wade through the blackberries anymore than I have to. So this is really nice. I think I'm going to do, they made two of these for me. I'm going to mount one of them like this so I can rake with it or poke and rake with it. The other one I think I'm going to mount like that so it'll be pure spear. Some of the other things, we brazing conveyors, and on those brazing conveyors are flights. One end is connected to the chain that stays cool, it's insulated. The other end goes through the brazing oven, and eventually, we don't want stainless steel, and eventually the stainless steel will burn and corrode. It takes quite a while, but it does. So we have to replace these flights. So if you use flights or nests or trays or whatever you want to call them, we can make those really well. If you've got anything that needs to have good dimensions on the cutting, it's flat, particularly if it needs to be heat treated and precision ground, we can help you. We do all that in one place. We've been doing it a long time. We are really good at it. So if we can help you with the laser cutting, happy to do it. If you need some prototype parts, something like this is usually pretty easy to program in the computer, and we'll just run a few of these. If you can wait a while, we'll run a few of these. Next time we're running something else that takes a full sheet of this steel. So it's all, by the way, it's all sheet steel, so it stays flat. It's not rolled steel, so there's no curved memory in it. So if you've ever had to fight with that, you know it's a big deal. If you've never had to fight with it, you probably don't understand what a big deal it can be. Anyway, that's it. Tom Walls, Carbide Processors, precision laser cutting, especially precision laser cutting combined with heat treating. And we hit within, probably pretty much plus or minus 1 point at Rockwell C, which, if you're familiar with heat treating, is really good. And then precision laser precision grinding. So precision laser cutting, heat treating, precision grinding. Let us know if we can help you. Thanks. Bye.